guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to be doing a haul. I haven't done one for so long now, and what better way than to do a haul from my favorite shop, and that is HOMESENSE TK MAXX. I'm not even sure why I'm doing so many hand movements, but anyway. Yeah, so recently I've been doing a lot of shopping at HOMESENSE. Oh my god, literally every time I go in I end up buying things that I didn't even go in for. If I just went in to buy some cutlery or something, I end up buying a painting, some ornaments, just extra things that I don't even need. Let's get straight into this video. I've got so many goodies to show you and I've got it all laid out here next to me on my sofa. Oh, but before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any videos that I post. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Mwah! Let's do it. Right, so firstly, oh my god, this is so heavy. Let me show you this. Oh my god, this is super heavy. Let me just sit back a little bit so you can see it in its full glory. Look at him. So for you guys that already know what BearBricks are, so BearBricks is like a really famous collectible, but they retail for thousands and thousands of pounds. They're super expensive because they are collectibles. But when I saw this guy, which is an absolute BearBrick dupe, I was like, I need to buy him. I think I bought him for about £90. I think it was like £89.99, and it's totally worth it. I mean, look at him. He is worth every penny. He is beautiful. So at the moment, I've put him like on the top of my stairs. So as soon as you go up, that's the first thing that you can see is him. Absolutely love him, and it doesn't stop there because let me show you what else I've bought. So to add on to the BearBrick dupe family, I got a bit carried away. So I ended up buying the same BearBrick dupe, but in this size, and this one's more of a smaller size, so you could put it on your tabletop or on shelving. He's more textured, you can see. How adorable is he? So cute. I got him for, I think it was about £15 if I remember correctly. And this one was from TK MAXX, whereas the super big BearBrick dupe, that one was from HOMESENSE. But yeah, these are totally sold out everywhere. So if you see one of these in store, quickly go grab it. So I got it in the rose gold, and you're not gonna believe it, guys, but I also got it in the silver. Just like a matching pair. I just could not resist. I'm just so happy that I managed to get my hands on both of these. So now it's just a matter of finding somewhere to put it in my house. And it doesn't stop there. No. It's turned into like an obsession now with all of these BearBrick dupes. But look, I bought these ones as well. These are even smaller. I love the graffiti style on them. I mean, even though they're both the same product, they've both got different graffiti style prints on them. So it's really unique. And this one retailed for £14.99, if you can see that. I've actually seen these going on eBay for like double the price or even triple. So straight away buying it, I've already made profit if I was to sell it on eBay, but I'm not because I love these so much. But yeah, I've got so many of these BearBrick dupes now. Right, so next that I bought are these plates. And I love this saying, ooh la la, wee wee. Yeah, it's a bit of French there. So these are just really gorgeous, pretty plates that you could put around the house. I've got a matching one as well. So this one says, je t'aime, and also oh la la. So I did buy these separately because I just couldn't resist. I was like, they both look so pretty. And these ones retail for £5.99 each. They're just so pretty. You could pop like your jewelry on here or your makeup, just anything, or even your keys. I just love this. What I love about HOMESENSE and TK MAXX is their cushions. I couldn't resist. They've got hundreds of different styles, colors, textures, prints, you name it. Whatever cushion you want, they have got it in stock, and I mean everything. So the first one that I bought, like cushion, is the zebra print cushion. I mean, if you've been following my channel, you'd know, or probably know, that I love animal prints, whether it's zebra print, giraffe print, any type of animal print. I am down for it. It's got like this really beautiful like felt material, and I just love this zebra print. And this one retailed for £16.99. They also had like a leopard print one, but I didn't buy that. I liked this one a lot more. So I did buy a few more other cushions, like this one, Union Jack. I was actually looking for a Union Jack cushion online, but they were all so expensive. I saw one that was like £100. I was like, that's mad. I'm not spending £100 on a Union Jack cushion. So when I saw this at HomeSense, was it HomeSense or TK Maxx? No, it was HomeSense, and it was the last one as well. It just stuck out like a sore thumb because it was amongst all the other plain coloured cushions, and then there was this Union Jack one. I went straight over to grab this because it was the last one, and it was only £14.99. And the shape of this as well, it's not like your typical square cushion. This is more like a pillow shaped cushion. I just love it, and it just looks really nice next to this zebra print one. Look at that. Look at the aesthetic. See, I love stuff like this, like quirky stuff. Animal prints, Union Jack. I used to have like this Union Jack sequined heart cushion, but I don't know where I've put that now. I just can't find it. I had that many years ago, but oh, it was such a beautiful cushion, but I just don't know where I've put it. Anyways, I've got this one now and I'm absolutely loving it. This one was in the sale. White cotton cushion for heart print, but with the heart, it's got like this textured felt to it. And this one was £10. £10 for this cushion. I don't know how much it was before, but now it's just a tenner. Absolute bargain. It just looks really stunning next to all the other ones, like the zebra print and the Union Jack. Look at that. I also bought this one. Look at this. You're probably wondering what it is. So this is a knot cushion, and I bought it in a grey. This was actually the last one. I think I saw it on the HomeSense Instagram. I mean, I did see it somewhere. I was like, I really want that. So I went to store looking for one of these. Originally, I wanted it in a cream, but I mean, they didn't have that in stock. They just had this one, and it was the last one. I quickly grabbed it. Not only that, this was in the sale. Yeah, so it was £12.99, but now it's just tenner. It's like a knotted cushion. It's so quirky. I absolutely love it. I mean, look at that. It's like a big knotted ball. Yeah, I'm really happy with all the cushions that I bought. And you've probably noticed behind me, ta-da! It's a balloon dog. Let me go and grab it. I actually bought this. Let me go and grab it. So, I bought this. Was it from TK Maxx or HomeSense? Yeah, this was from TK Maxx. This is a gold textured balloon dog. Obviously, it's a Jeff Koons dupe, but it looks identical to the real thing. It's got a bit of weight to him. Yeah, it's quite heavy. And on the base, it's got like a felt base, so you're not gonna like ruin your furniture or whatever you're gonna put it on. Get ready for this, because not only did I buy this fella, I also bought a bit more of his family. Ta-da! So not only did I buy the big balloon dog, I also bought the two smaller versions in the same color, the gold textured balloon dog, and then also bought a different color. It's more of a carbon matte type of black. Still yet to decide where to put these little ones, but I just love them, and it's been like an absolute treasure hunt to actually get your hands on these. So when I saw these, I was like, I'm quickly gonna buy that. So this one was £19.99. I think this was the same price as well, so 20 quid each. Come on. Comparing it to the real thing, this is an absolute steal. And they look exactly like the real thing as well. Which color do you prefer? Do you like the gold textured one, or do you like the matte black one? I personally like the gold one because I love like gold things and gold furniture and gold ornaments. And I also bought this. It's so pretty. I couldn't resist. It's a swan wearing a crown, and if you turn it upside down or if you give it a shake, it's got gold glitter. Look at that, it's so pretty. I love things that have like crowns and tiaras on. Oh, and I saw this because I love swans as well. I was like, I need to buy this. Right, I just had to go to the kitchen to get these because I already took it out of its packaging, and I have been using them the last few days. Kitchen utensils. These actually were sold separately, but I bought all three. So we've got this tongue, spatula tongue, and then the spoon, and also this other spatula type thing. It's all made from silicone, so it's not gonna scratch your plates or dishes. And I think these retailed for like £5 or £6 each, but it was exactly what I was looking for. They do the best kitchen utensils, just everything that you're looking for your home. HomeSense has it. Right, what else have I got to show you? Oh yeah, these ones. And I bought two of these extra large storage, the like woven baskets. I bought it in a grey colour, and it has like this metallic silver threading all the way through it. And I was specifically looking for these type of baskets because the great thing about these is that these you can actually like squish into shape so that you can fit it wherever you need to fit it, as opposed to if it was a solid box, then you have to make it sort of work, and it just fits into like your cupboard or wherever you need to put it. So I bought 2 of these in this extra large shape, and this was like £14.99 each. So I bought 2, and then not only that, I bought the smaller version as well. Let me just show you this one. So this is more like the medium size. This was £12.99. Yeah, again, it's got like the handles. And then lastly, I bought this one. This is in a creamy / beige color, and it's got slight, yet again, the silver metallic threading all the way through it. So yeah, I just love having these woven baskets. They're so handy to have. I mean, the more storage, the better. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that I bought from HomeSense and TK Maxx recently. And obviously this being one of my big purchases. Look at him. I love it. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week. Isn't that right? If there's any products that you bought recently from HomeSense or TK Maxx and you want to let me know, then please comment down below. I love reading all of you guys' comments. And yeah, I hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time with a brand new video. Mwah. Bye guys.